Welcome to Goal is B Admission Consultants. Today we'll be exploring the MIT Sloan Master of Business Analytics program. This cutting edge program is designed to prepare the next generation of data driven leaders, equipping students with advanced skills in both data science and business analytics. Let's dive into what makes this program so unique. The MIT Sloan M-Band program focuses on advanced data science and business analytics, preparing students for high impact roles in data driven decision making. With a rigorous STEM designated curriculum, the program offers international students the opportunity to extend their stay in the US by 24 months after graduation, making it an excellent option for those looking to build their career globally. The curriculum at MIT Sloan is both comprehensive and cutting edge. It covers critical areas like advanced data analytics, machine learning, big data, and cloud computing. Students will also dive deep into optimization methods and data visualization, blending technical proficiency with business strategy and ethics in data science. This multidisciplinary approach ensures you're well prepared for a fast paced, data driven world. For those interested in applying, mark your calendars. The application deadline for the MIT Sloan M-Band program is January 3rd, 2025, with decisions being released by March 3rd, 2025. Make sure to prepare your materials well in advance to meet this deadline. There are several reasons why the MIT Sloan M-Band program stands out. First, MIT Sloan is home to a world-class faculty known for their cutting-edge research and deep industry experience. The curriculum is designed to stay ahead of industry trends, ensuring students are always learning the most innovative methods and technologies. Plus, being part of MIT means joining a powerful global network of alumni, industry leaders, and collaborators. If you're applying to MIT Sloan, focus on showcasing your quantitative skills, business acumen, and clear career goals. Demonstrating leadership and teamwork experience will also be crucial. Be sure to present an authentic narrative that highlights your unique experiences, passions, and the value you can bring to the program. MIT Sloan is located in the heart of Cambridge, part of the greater Boston innovation ecosystem. This area is renowned for its vibrant culture of entrepreneurship, technological breakthroughs, and cutting edge research. It's home to leading research institutions, startups, and world renowned universities, making it an ideal environment for future innovators. Are you wondering if the MIT Sloan M-Band program is the right fit for you? Goal is B admission. Consultants can guide you through the entire application process. From building a strong profile to preparing a compelling application, we're here to help you every step of the way.